Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Choma NJ. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you're new to my channel, kindly click on this subscribe button and watch my previous videos. Definitely after watching this video, of course, you watch this video to the end, then you watch my previous videos if you want to see what I'm really about. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for clicking and thank you for always coming back. So today I'll be unboxing a brand new gas cooker. Yay! I'm excited because I have been waiting and wanting this for a long time. Thanks to Lee Hobbs, he just got me this, so I'm trying to unbox it and see what it's really about. I think he got it from Jumia. So most times when you buy things online, you might not necessarily have a feel of what they're describing in the specifications. So you sort of have a pictorial idea, and you have specifications to sort of understand what you're buying. But right now I'm trying to unbox it to have a feel and know the exact size of what he got. So if you want to see what you can get off Jumia and at an affordable price, keep on watching. So the other components of the cooker was in the oven. So we have the legs of the cooker, which will fit at the bottom. We also have the manual of the cooker. We also have the 2-year warranty that came with it, and we also have I think it's called the disc, where the fire will come out from for the gas top. And yeah, that's about it. And that's the oven tray and the grill tray too as well. Yeah, Chris.
Hello, Detective.
This is what the top looks like. I actually brought out some of my pots to see if they all fit in at once, and it fit just perfectly. I thought it was actually quite small, but it wasn't. Just fit all my pots perfectly, except you have very, very big pots. It won't fit them all.
Hey, that's right.
It's gonna be okay.
So guys, thank you for watching till the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you would like to watch my previous videos, I've already created a playlist for all of them. Please do. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button, like this video, and comment and share if you enjoyed this video. And I also dropped the link to where the cooker was bought. Till my next video. Ciao.